Welcome! Today we're going to clear the document jam error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Remove any documents from the automatic document feeder. Open the ADF top cover. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Remove any paper scraps. Close the top cover. Press the X icon on the touchscreen. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.